Welcome guys, in this quick video I'm gonna answer the question if you can charge the AirPods Pro 2nd generation without this original charging case, and if you can charge them, for example, in the 1st generation case or in the fake case. Okay, so first of all, if you want to charge them without the case, there is no way to make it, because when you take a look right here, for any part of these AirPods, let me just catch focus. Okay, there is no any input. You cannot plug here any cable, or you cannot put them on the wireless charger. You will be not able to charge them without the case. Right now, if you wonder if you can charge them with the original case but from the 1st generation, unfortunately no way to make it, because we will get the information that they are a mismatch. So as you can see, we will be not able to charge them in the 1st generation original case. But what is interesting, that we can charge them actually in the fake case. So here I have the 1st generation of the AirPods, this one, and that's also the 1st generation of the AirPods, but they are fake, and that's the fake case. When you input right here inside the 2nd generation and close this cover, even when it's broken, you have to close it, you will be able to charge them, but not with this cable, so with the wired connection. You can charge them only when you put them to the wireless charger, and unfortunately that's not like the best way to charge them. But if you don't have right now money to get the new case, or you are only looking for like temporary solution, this method and this information might help you. So yeah, that's like the answer to your question. You can charge the AirPods Pro 2nd generation in the fake case of the 1st generation of the AirPods Pro for sure. And probably you can make it with the fake case of the 2nd generation, but I have only the 1st generation case. So yeah, that's the information that you are looking for. I use it with the 1st generation AirPods and also with the 2nd, and it's working for me. But for sure, this fake case is not working like the original, because when you put inside the AirPods, they are not gonna turn off, they will still activate. So it means that after a few hours our earbuds will be discharged. But it's some kind of the way that we can use them. Not the best, but you know. So yeah, that's all. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.